leader.
Are you going to kill us?
It depends on how you answer what I'm about to ask. This is not looking good for you.
We thought you were uncivilized raiders. We were trying to protect our route.
These sands no longer free for you to pass. If you are to pass, the toll is to be paid to them. Any debts dealt from the passing freighters will be returned tenfold. Now go back to your syndicate and present these terms. Lives are a gesture of our civility.